Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Mariska, NPM 22,411,036. I will explain about scope of strategical management. Explanation. Strategic management is a broad and dynamic field that encompasses various processes, active and decisions aimed at achieving long-term organization goals. It provides a framework for guiding business in the formulation, implementation, and evaluation of strategical goals alike with their mission, vision, and core values. The scope of strategical management expands across multiple areas of organization management, ensuring that every aspect of the business works together toward sustained competitive advantage and growth. Scope of strategical management. Strategic planning. The first element within the scope of strategic management is strategic planning, which involves driving the organization direct and making decisions about allocating research to purpose. This discussion strategic planning focus on mission and vision development, establishing a clear purpose and long-term aspiration for the organization. The mission defines what the organization stands for, while the vision outlines what is hoped to achieve in the future. Environmental scanning analysis both internal and external environment through tools like SWOT strategies, weakness, opportunities, threats analysis, and personal, political, economic, social, technological, legal, environmental analysis. These steps help in the identify key factors that could influence the organization success, such as market trend, competition, and regulatory change. Goal strategy. Strategy specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Goals based on the insight gained from the analysis. Their goals provide a clear focus for the organization strategic initiative. Strategic planning. Planning sets the foundation for the strategic management process, determining the overall direction of the organization. Strategy formulation. The next area in the scope of strategic management is strategic formulation, where specific strategies are developed to achieve organizational objectives. This process involves corporate strategy, focus on the overall scope and purpose of the organization. Dedication in this area include diversification, market and acquisition, and entry into new market. Business strategy refer to how the organization competes within a particular industry or market. It includes discussion related to competitive positioning, such as account leadership, differentiation of focus strategies. Functional strategies focus on specific area with the organization, such as market operation, finance, and human resource functional strategies are designed to support the broader corporate and business strategy by optimizing department performance. In this phase, organizations develop a clear plan of action dedicating how they will compete in the marketplace and achieve their long-term goals. Strategy implementation. The scope of strategy management also includes strategy implementation, which is the process of putting formulated strategy into action. Successful implementation requires allocating, ensuring that the organization requires such a finance, personnel, and technology are directed toward the strategic priorities. Organization structure. Create and structure the support the strategic goals. This may involve refiguring department teams or process to ensure that the organization is efficient and aligned with its strategic objective. Leadership and culture. Leadership play a critical role in motivating and guiding employees to embrace the strategic vision. Organization culture must also support the strategic plan, encouraging behavior and attitude that align with the company's goals. Effective implementation in often one of the most challenging part of strategic management, as it requires coordination across levels and departments with the organization. Strategy evaluation and control. The final component with the scope of strategic management is strategy evaluation and control, which involves assessing the outcomes of the implemented strategy and making necessary adjustments. Key aspects include performance measurement using key performance indicators and metrics to evaluate the strategy in achieving its intended goals. Financial performance, market share growth, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement are common metrics used for evaluation. Feedback loop. Continuous monitoring allows organizations to identify areas where strategies might not be performing as expected based on feedback. Managers can modify or adjust strategies to respond to changing market conditions or internal change. Risk management. Part of the evaluation process in managing risk associated with the strategy originating must be proactive in identifying potential risks and developing contingency plan to address them. By regularly evaluating their strategy, organization assure they meet or track and can quickly adapt to unforeseen change in the environment. Corporate governance and ethics. Strategic management also encompasses political governance and ethical consideration. Corporate governance refers to the system of rules, practices, and process by which a company is directed and controlled. These considerations are increasingly important in strategic decision making, as organizations are expected to operate responsibly and sustainably. This includes stakeholder management, ensuring that the interests of various stakeholders, such as employee, customer, and the community, are considered in strategic decision. Sustainability and corporate social responsibility. CSR. Organizations are increasingly expected to adopt sustainable practices and contribute positively to social. Strategic management must balance profit-making objectives with environment and social responsibility. Good corporate governance and ethical practices are essential for building trust with stakeholders and maintaining a positive reputation. Conclusion. The spot of strategic management is broad and encompasses various strategical monitoring that guide our organization toward achieving long-term success, from strategic planning and formulation to implementation, evaluation, and ethical governance. Strategic management ensure that all aspects of the business are aligned with its overall mission and vision. By effectively managing this element, organization can remain competitive, adaptable, and sustainable in an ever-changing business environment. This all. Thank you.